Happy Sunday. Today's video is going to be educational. I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back. Let's get into it. This is how my rice water looks. If you're interested in knowing how I made this, just watch the video I have linked below. Let's get started. This is the shampoo that I'm going to use. It's just Garnier Fructis to Grow Strong, Deep Clean, and Peppermint. And then I have the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Conditioner. And then I'm going to rinse with the rice water. Yeah, my products usually match, but in today's video, they're not going to match. I'll show you how to use in a previous video that I did. And I'll show you kind of how my hair looked at that time. But let me go ahead and get this done, and so you guys can see the results. Alright everyone, this is how my hair looks wet. And if you are in need of a deep cleanse of your hair after a protective style, especially braided style, this is it. Like, my hair was really dirty. I don't know, I think it was like some of the dye from the hair, but my hair has come back. As you see, if you blow on it, it lays down. Like, my hair is so thin and fine. I had lost it all right here in the front. I lost it all, just like in a bad bet at the racetrack. I lost it all, but it is now back and in full effect. That side over here is still the side that I cut. For those of you that may be new here, this is how my hair looks wet. I do have a few videos showing how I wash it. I don't do it much because it's really hard to film these videos to me, because this camera's heavy as hell and I want to put it down. So I'm just going to finish, but I just wanted to show you that. Alrighty, see. Okay, I have rinsed it all out. Now I'm going to do my Extraordinary Curls Conditioner. I just want to say that I think a lot of people go wrong with rice water because, and I'm looking in the mirror, so I'm not going to be looking in the camera too often or just back and forth, but I see when people put this stuff in their hair, and just let it sit for too long. This is protein, so you have to be careful. Like, if your hair is protein rich already, you're not going to need to leave it in your hair. Me, I know my hair probably needs the protein because it's a little bit damaged from coloring and stuff like that, but 30 minutes, that's all I give. I'm not going to leave this stuff in my hair overnight or anything like that and then give rice water a bad review because I used it wrong. No, go ahead and make this your final rinse. Like, think of it as a deep conditioner. You're not going to leave it in your hair forever. You want to rinse it out completely. Don't even leave any remnants of it in your hair. Go ahead and rinse it out completely because it is a protein treatment. So that's what you have to understand. If you don't understand rice water, I advise you to do your research. Don't always listen to what everybody else say, because me, I'm the type of person that, and I know I'm talking fast because I want to get this done, do not trust anybody's information. The only information I trust is my own, because I would have done my own research. I can look and grasp and take heed of what somebody's told me, but I'm like, let me look that up myself just to make sure that they didn't miss anything that I need to find out about and take notes. But this treatment has been working wonders for me, and you're going to see that coming up here from where I started in May to where I am now with it. Okay, this is how my hair looks with conditioner in it for those that may be interested and have not seen it before. This is with the L'Oreal Extraordinary Curls, and what I like about this conditioner, that is very nourishing, and it does have those nourishing oils in there. Nourishing oil, I mean. They do have a Extraordinary Curls line as well, but that's how my hair looks with the conditioner in it. It's the curls like that. So I'm just going to let this sit for a few more minutes, and then I'm going to rinse. And this is the driest patch on my hair. See that, how it just sticks out like that? Everyone has that dry section, no matter what the freaking hell you put on it. It still wants to look like you haven't put shit on it. Alright, I put the rice water in as a final step, and as I stated, I let it sit for 30 minutes, and then I rinse it very thoroughly. I do not leave any remnants of this in my hair at all, just to be safe. And I put it in a spray bottle just to make it easier to disperse in my hair. And I just clip it up and let it sit for that 30-minute time frame. And what I'm going to do now, I still incorporate the lock method, liquid, oil, and cream. My liquid is just water and any remaining excess from the wash that was in my hair. Even though, as I said, I try to rinse my hair thoroughly. And my oils are olive oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and peppermint oil, and castor oil. I keep all of those mixed together and do thing where I oil the shaft of my hair, focus primarily on the ends, which are the driest and the oldest, of course, and of course my scalp. And I will go back and put more of the peppermint and the jojoba oil on my scalp if needed. But I'm loving the results of the rice water. If you have been here with me since the beginning of my channel, when I had the blonde hair, which is where I suffered the most damage. I wanted that color so bad, but yeah, my hair paid the cost of it, so I basically have cut all of that out. And then I put red on top of the rest of that type of orange color. That's why it's kind of red at the ends now. That section there was a very damaged section, like the middle of my hair suffered the most, and that's how long it was, where my finger was. And as you see, with my protective styling and incorporating this rice water has really helped. I just thought I had to do that twice because I was really feeling myself, so that's why I kind of double back. Yes, let me know what you think. But that side I cut is really flourishing, and this is my May, June, July, August, September 5th use. I do it once a month. I think that's enough for me and the needs of my hair. So if you are not a believer, look at that growth there. And this is, I cut my hair pretty short. If you want to just double back, I will link those videos below. But come on the rice water train. Up next, I will be showing you some proof of shedding. This was in May. If you can see it. May. See how dense that pile is? And then that's June. Not the same. That's July. Isn't that amazing? July. Let's think. June, July, August. So just think, starting from how dense that is. Very dense. And this is all the hair from the brush, the sink, my fingers, and everything. That's the next one. Not as dense. You can kind of see through it. About the same. It looks like more, but it really isn't. Because I kind of balled that one around. That's why it looks like this one. I didn't ball that one around. And then August. And if you're not convinced on rice water, get convinced and use it. Because I'm not going to talk about something that don't work. Like, it honestly works for me. I could tell, especially when I braided my hair and those little braids on the side like that. I was like, my hair seemed thicker. I used to have a bald spot right there. That's gone. Keep my hair braided like this when I'm wearing my wigs. I did do that review, or not review, but kind of like styling today as well. So you may see this same look. But I try to batch record as often as I can because you never know when you're not going to be feeling good or whatever the case may be. Like this week, I didn't have a video for Friday because Zion is not feeling too good. She got like allergies. Praying that it's just allergies, but I had to actually pick her up early from school. So I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently until she's better. So I may have to stay at home with her on Monday. I'm not quite sure yet. But I want to be doing some vlogs and some things like that just to change it up a notch. or two just to do something different. I made me a TikTok again. She's gonna start her racket, so I'm going to go ahead and end this up. But I did start a TikTok up again, and I got my new Instagram page going. Just try to have my handle on everything that I'm doing, which is my personal brand. I'm gonna try to do something just for me with that. So stay tuned. That's all I can tell you. Stay tuned. If you're not tuned in, this channel is where you should be. This channel is gonna give you what you need. This channel is it. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a good night. Stay safe.